Vnnwueu fuses cover all commonly used models on the market. In the process of your use will not be because of the lack of models and bring you trouble. Warning. In the process of replacing the fuse, be sure to match the original fuse amp exactly. Replacing a fuse that is too large or too small will bring safety risks to your car, car fire, car line burnout, and so on. Cover 32 common blade fuses, 110 PCs Auto ATC ATQ standard fuses, 2A, 3A, 5A, 7.5A, 10A, 15A, 20A, 25A, 30A, 35A, 40A, 10 PCs of each model. Common mini fuses, 2A, 3A, 5A, 7.5A, 10A, 15A, 20A, 25A, 30A, 40A, 10 PCS for each model, 100 PCs low-profile mini fuses, 2A, 3A, 5A, 7. 5A, 10A, 15A, 20A, 25A, 30A, 35A, 10 PCS for each model. Easy to identify, easy to use, the box has a corresponding grid model, so you can quickly select the fuse you need, and the fuse head is also clear ampere and code. Excellent quality Vnnwueu auto fuse kit is made of high-quality zinc alloy and ABS engineered plastics to protect your car's current and circuit board quickly and accurately. Good compatibility, usually used on most brands of vehicles, including sad face, cars, trucks, SUVs, ATV, UTV, RV, motorcycles, boats, etc., making this combination more applicable to a wide range of vehicles. Top reviews from the United States. Good value for your money. I spend about $4 on 4 fuses at Walmart. I wanted some spare fuses and to keep some fuses in my 2 vehicles for emergencies. I put a Ziploc bag of a variety in each vehicle and still have a lot left in the container. Good value for the amount paid.